Namaste everyone. Sorry. Um, it's 11 a.m. In the morning here in Sydney, and it is 11th of March 2021. I'm coming here again. Write your wish and fulfill your dream. Write it and receive it. You receive it by writing it. Yeah, that's my motto. That's my main motto, and I'm doing it because I'm doing it because I'm getting it. Trust me, guys. Whatever I'm writing it here, slowly, day by day, every day, I have found so many changes in my life. I have found so many differences in my life. Why not? I have told in my previous videos, told in my previous videos about my achievement. Whatever I have achieved it, I told in my previous videos. You can watch it, and then trust me, it is really working for me. And today is auspicious occasion as well. Today is Mahasivaratri. In our Hindu religion, if we are married, we always pray to Lord Shiva and say that thank you Lord, for this beautiful, for my beautiful married life, for making my married life successful every day, always, for forever. That's what I pray to Lord Shiva, that thank you Lord. Always my husband and I, we always love and understand each other every day, day by day, no matter what it is, but we always need to be together, and then we need to have a beautiful life. If we become a success, if we have a successful and happy, especially happy, yes, success, not only successful, it has to be the happy married life. Yes, in on this occasion, what I asked to my husband is, are you really happy with me? Trust me, guys. Yes, there are so many things I mentioned. I asked him today that, are you really happy with me? Because if we're not happy, then the married life, even if it's like something is, catching on your neck, So today, because I said to my husband, I am really happy with you, but tell me, tell me the truth. If you are not happy with me, then trust me, I'm happy to go away from your life. Yeah, that's what I asked my husband, and he said that don't be nonsense. I'm so happy with you. I'm always happy with you. And then that's the clear thing, that I clear that clutter, because I never asked that question with him. I never get that courage with him. Once I started writing it, trust me, I don't know, I have got so many courage coming in my head, that I can, because it has to be clear. And then I asked in a courageous way, which, like it's been like, I was like, oh, today is Mahasivaratri. We have to make it clear. It has to be clear that if uh, if he is happy with me or not, because I wanted to make sure. Otherwise, something, if you're not happy or something, then it's not gonna work. Even if it's like it's a burden, like, oh, okay, I got married with her, but I'm not happy, but still I need to stay with her. It's, I don't want happen with my husband. That's why I made him clear that, trust me, tell me, I'm happy, I don't need anything else from you. I don't need your money, I don't need anything else from you, but tell me, if you're not happy, then I will go away from you. But he said, oh, no, it's not like that. I'm happy. I'm always happy with you, and I will be happy with you for forever. And then I said, oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you, universe, for making my married life successful and happy. My husband and I are living happily together, always and forever. That's what we need to say, that when we are writing it here, that my husband and I, my husband, you can mention your husband's name as well. We need to, of course. My husband and I are living together happily, always, forever. My husband and I are happily living together, always, forever. So trust me, guys. So this is my, I think, 36th video. I'm writing it. So write it, and write it, whatever in your mind, whatever now. See, before I was, one thing I'm telling you, that when achieving the dream, achieving the success means, now I am so happy. Why? Because I thought money is everything. But at the same time, if my married life is happy as well, that's the greatest happiness, guys. That's how it opens the pores. It opens you the path to be a successful woman, to be a successful person, to a successful man. My husband will become a successful person. So that's why I asked. Even if I don't know in his mind or something, but I want him to clear that, so that way, see, that's the great achievement as well. So slowly we become successful, we achieve whatever we want, whatever we write it here in the paper, it will be, it will come back to us. Means it is, so be positive. We always need to be positive. Yes, this morning I have asked some of the things which is like, oh no, why I'm writing this, I should not be writing this for my husband, because I was sending a message to my husband, because I don't have courage to talk to him on the phone. So I asked him on the message that, and then I was scared as well, but you see, scared, but I have got a courage as well at the same time. So making it clear, what making it clear is, so to become a success, become a successful person, successful for my husband, for his life, it has to be a little bit clear between us two, so that way our path will open. Yeah, if there is clutter, then we can't. Thank you so much for watching. So now I'm going to write it here. Write your wish and fulfill your dream. So keep watching, please, and then tell me in the comment section, ask me what's going on, and then also you can suggest me what I need to write, what I need to tell, and then also you can ask me what I'm writing it here.